Blackout Bingo does not have one universal payout time that applies to every withdrawal, because payment timing depends on the withdrawal method, account status, and the platform processing the transaction. If you're waiting for Blackout Bingo money, the important thing is to separate the game's tournament result from the actual withdrawal process. Here's what happens after you win, what can delay a payment, and what to check before assuming something is wrong. Blackout Bingo uses skills for its cash competitions. When you finish a cash tournament in a winning position, the prize is credited to your eligible skills balance, according to the tournament rules. That balance is not necessarily the same thing as money already sitting in your bank account or payment service. To get paid, you need to use the withdrawal option available inside your account. The available method can depend on your location and account eligibility. So check the withdrawal screen rather than relying on a generic payout claim from another player. Account verification can also affect the process. If skills requires additional information to verify your identity or eligibility, the withdrawal may need to wait until that process is completed. The safest way to check your own payment is to open the account, go to the withdrawal section, and review the status of the transaction. If the withdrawal is still pending, check whether the app is requesting additional information before contacting support. Do not rely on a screenshot claiming that someone received money in a certain number of hours. Another player's payment method, location, and account status may be different from yours. There is also a difference between winning and withdrawing. You can win a tournament and see the prize reflected in your balance without the money having reached your external payment account yet. For that reason, keep a record of the withdrawal date, amount, payment method, and status. That gives you useful information if you need to contact support about a specific transaction. So, how long does Blackout Bingo take to pay? There is no single guaranteed time frame that applies to every player and every payment method. The correct timing is the time frame shown for your withdrawal method and account inside the current skills payment system. The practical step is simple. Finish your eligible tournament, open the withdrawal section, check the available payment method and requirements, and monitor the transaction status. The key point is that Blackout Bingo winnings and completed withdrawals are two separate steps. If your withdrawal is delayed, check verification and transaction status before assuming the payment has failed. If this answered your question, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app payment guides.